It says here on the day of the Jamal. Jamal is the camel. The camel is the incident that took place between Ali ibn Abi Talib and whoever is with him on one side, and Aisha, Az-Zubayr, and Talha radiyallahu anil jami' on one side. So Talha, Zubayr, Aisha, and Ali in one side and with his people, followers. First of all, we will say that why is it called Al-Jamal? It's because of the big camel whom Aisha, she was upon, radiyallahu, may Allah be pleased with all of them. This Jamal is a well-known incident. And that took place, but without the companions being planning to fight with each other. It's actually some of, on each side, they wanted to trigger this fight. That's what happened. It's actually the ones who don't want to be paying the blood of killing Uthman, radiallahu anhu. Uthman is the fitna. So Aisha, she kept crying and crying after this battle took place, after this incident, till she drenched her veil. She said even to the ones who are going to be there in charge of her burial, if I die, don't bury me in that room along with the Prophet and Abu Bakr and Umar. Bury me somewhere else. Bury me in the Baqiyah. So I've done something I don't deserve to be there. She was regretting what she's done. Radiallahu anha. But we wanted to make sure that you, when you talk about the companions, you talk always with the best of words. Very important. And that you do not indulge into the things that took place between them. Ijtihad. As Ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah, he said, what happened between them, it can be either one of the three following things. Either, okay, it is not correct and not authentic, rubbish. So we put it in the bin. Or it is something that correct and it is for their side, or something which is correct that shows that maybe some of them is done wrong. We would say that third one, we will say that is ijtihad. Ijtihad, I mean, this is what they believe is correct. Aisha radiallahu anha, she never went out to fight Ali or revolt against Ali. Never. That's what not her intention. Her intention was that she wanted to speed up, because if she wanted to Ali, she would have gone to Ali where he is. She didn't go to Ali radiallahu anhu. She wanted to speed up the process of capturing those who are the killers of Uthman radiallahu anhu. But she said that it was wrong. She was wrong. So the best book here, Al-Awasim wal-Qawasim. To read that book when you want to read about what took place regarding the companions in Al-Jamal and also in Siffin. And I have had a lecture regarding Al-Jamal and Siffin, which talks about the fitna of Al-Jamal, fitna of Siffin, and fitna of also killing Uthman, and the fitna of killing Ali ibn Abi Talib radiallahu anhu, which I spoke about that issue.